Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I've just come back from a Christmas event and I'm feeling so Christmassy right now. It's unreal because I am literally the last person to get ready for Christmas. I'm such a summer girl. I've just got back from Italy, which was amazing. I had the best time, honestly. I can't wait to upload the vlog for that because honestly, one of my favourite trips ever. I love Italy, I love the summer, I love the food, I love everything to do with like the Italians, and I just had an amazing time. I'm sad to be back, and literally today was my first day back at events and stuff, and straight in there with the Christmas events. I'm just like, slow down, I still want the summer. But anyway, I'm digressing. If you guys are new here, my name is Teral. I make 2 videos a week. They're all about fashion, beauty and travel. If that's the type of things that you are interested in, make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I can't believe I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, honestly. I never thought I'd actually get anywhere near to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm just like, wow, I can't believe this many people actually enjoy watching my videos and have subscribed to me. So I feel really lucky to have you guys be part of this journey with me. Anyway, today I have got an unboxing for you guys. I've been doing these kind of luxury unboxings on and off for a while now, but you guys seem to really enjoy them. And today I have got a Gucci unboxing. You can probably tell it's a pair of shoes. I'm just so excited. I just love designer stuff, and I can't afford designer stuff all the time, but when I do happen to get something from like a designer, I'm just so happy, and it really makes me happy. I can't deny it. I know obviously like material things aren't everything, but every now and then when I do buy something, it does make me so happy. Should I tell you the story behind it first? Yeah. Okay, so I put up on my Instagram, if you're not following, please come and follow me on Instagram. I post on there all the time. It's just at Teral Atilan. Put up a poll on my stories, and it was between a pair of Gucci shoes and a pair of Alexander McQueen shoes. And in the beginning, the Alexander McQueens were winning, but by the end of the 24 hours, it was like 41% to Gucci and 59% to Alexander McQueen. So I was like, really? You guys want me to have both? So got both. The Alexander McQueen's one, I think I'm going to do another unboxing for them. I'm going to be unboxing my Gucci shoes today, and the Alexander McQueen ones will follow next week possibly. Maybe spread it out a little bit so it's not too repetitive. But the story behind purchasing these, I've really liked these shoes for a very long time, and I kind of thought I wouldn't be able to get away with wearing them, like it's not quite my style, and I just thought that everyone would look at me and think, why is she wearing them? The more I see them, the more I'm in love with them, honestly, and I just want them in every single colourway now. It's like a really bad habit. But I knew my mum was actually flying away a few days before. I was going to go to Italy, and she was flying from Terminal 5. So I went into Selfridges actually, and I tried on to see which was my size, and I said to her, Mum, I think there is a Gucci store in Terminal 5. If there is, here's the money, please buy me the shoes. And they happened to be £100 cheaper in duty free. So I was like, yes, go for it. And £100 is a lot of money. Honestly, if you guys are interested in buying Gucci, phone them up, see if they've got some, like if you're traveling anyway, or if you know anyone who is traveling to any of the terminals that sell Gucci, or even other designers that are found in terminals. Honestly, it does make a big difference. These shoes are originally £560, but in duty free we got them for £460, so it's still a lot of money for a pair of shoes, but £100 is £100 at the end of the day, and it's a big saving. Because I knew my mum was doing that, that's why I also bought the Alexander McQueen shoes as well. I kind of justified it like that in my head. I deserved it, yes. I'm just rambling on for like 6 minutes, that's ridiculous. I'm gonna get straight into it. Inside is my box. My Gucci shoes, and oh, I just love them. You guys probably remember my Gucci Marmont sandals haul. I will link that down below. I still wear them to death. They're literally the only shoes I bring with me on holiday because they're so comfortable and they go with everything. I'm hoping these are going to be like my winter spring kind of shoe that I just wear all the time. And inside we've got lots of tissue paper. So inside all of the tissue paper are the 2 shoes. They come in their own individual dust bag, which I think is perfect because I really hate the ones which come in one and you kind of have to squash the shoes together. So it's great that they come separately. And I got the loafers. I think they're called the Jordaan loafers. So this is some of the softest leather I've ever seen in shoes. And you guys know I used to work in a shoe store which had very, very high quality leather. And so these are just absolutely beautiful. Inside comes with some more tissue paper and I'm just going to peel this off there. That just protects the leather from getting scratched up while in packaging. Look how pretty. I know these are not to everyone's taste. I think my boyfriend called them ugly grandma shoes, but whatever. I don't think they're ugly grandma shoes. These are not to everyone's taste and I completely get it. But I was just thinking I need a pair of everyday casual shoes that I can just chuck on and go and still look really, really smart. Like, I'm fed up of walking around London in heels or shoes that are super uncomfortable and then having to pop into Topshop or Zara to buy a pair of shoes that are really, really comfortable. The other day I was wearing a pair of loafers and I haven't worn them in, say, like 2 years, but I've worn them many, many times and they fit comfortably. But I don't know what it was. Maybe my feet aren't ready to be back in shoes and they just still want to be in sandals. I got the worst blisters I've had in a very, very long time. And I've heard so many amazing reviews about these, how the leather is just so buttery soft and it just molds to the shape of your feet. I will be purchasing a pair of what are they called again? It's not a shoehorn. The name has completely gone, but you kind of put them in the shoe and it keeps the shape of them. What is the name? Oh my god, that's gonna really annoy me. I really don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna buy a pair of those just so that it keeps the shape of the shoe and the creases kind of iron out while I'm not wearing them, and that also absorbs moisture as well, so that's kind of why I like to look after my shoes like that. I decided to go for the black leather because it's a lot more durable than the suede. I know they've currently got some really, really cool colours in like the velvet with like the GG print on them. I thought they were amazing, but in terms of wearability for me, I just thought these were so much more classic and I definitely get so much more wear out of them. They have got a leather sole, which I personally love. I love anything with a leather sole. You can, if you want, wear it down and then get a rubber sole, I believe. But personally, I'm a fan of leather soles. That does mean, however, try not to wear it in the rain. I mean, of course, you probably will. And it is quite a thick sole, so the water will not go through, but it would ruin the sole. So if you're planning on wearing them in the rain a lot, I definitely recommend getting a rubber sole put on. I love that fresh leather smell. When I tried them on in the Gucci store in Selfridges, I was sliding around everywhere because leather soles are so slippery, and also on carpet, oh my god. Definitely before you wear them out, scuff them up a little bit so you're not slipping and sliding. If you are to wear them outside, completely fine, but I don't know, if you're gonna go to someone's house who has carpet or something, I don't know, you should take your shoes off anyway. But I don't know, like, just, they're slippery. They're slippery soles. They've got half a rubber heel cap and the rest of it is leather again. I presume you can go back to Gucci or any highly recommended cobbler. I do really recommend going to Classics. I think they're called Classics. I don't know if they have their own store, but they kind of deal with all of the luxury shoes that I have. They do all my Stuart Weitzman shoes. They've done my previous Christian Louboutin and Jimmy Choo shoes as well. But they're the only people that I personally trust, and I usually used to get them done via Russell and Bromley. I'm not sure if the Gucci store have their own classics department or something similar. I definitely recommend checking there first. If not, I'd go with the Classics. For me, maintaining my shoes is very, very important to me because it's a lot of money to go on your feet. So for me personally, I do like to take care of my shoes, and I do like to keep them in the best condition that I possibly can. I'm just so in love, and I'm going to do a little cutaway and show you guys what they look like on. They look great, don't they? I'm so obsessed, honestly. Oh, they're so beautiful. In terms of sizing, the front of the shoe is quite long. I'm usually a UK 7, which is a 40, but I've sized down half a size in these. So I've purchased these in a 39.5, because when I tried the 40 on, literally I felt like I was wearing clown shoes. I was sliding around in them, and I had about that much space from the toe, and so I sized down and they fit absolutely perfectly. They will need a little bit of stretching across here because I have slightly wider feet than I would like to admit. The leather is so soft that it's going to stretch in no time. As long as the length is fine, the width will always stretch. So you can just see how well crafted these shoes are, and they're just such a classic pair of shoes. And in the Gucci store, all of the staff were wearing them. Men, women, they were all wearing them because they're just so comfortable, so very versatile as well. Like, these would look amazing with trousers, with jeans, with dresses. Like, oh, I'm in love. So there we have it. That is my Gucci Jordaan unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. It would just mean the world to get 1,000 subscribers. I hope you guys like my shoes as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.